yes. They call me SMO one of Wazobia FM.
Yeah.
Wherever you hear it. Check yes. Still face to face with Ezemo one of Wazobia FM. Check way for you there every Sunday for Inside Sunday Mende. We will find one confirmed correct guy man or guy woman or short person, sabi person where he had to work well. We will bring a come inside the studio make we yarn. Why we go yarn? We go yarn because we need to learn one or two things and things we themselves don't do with the work for them or we don't work for them. Make we just cut small fish based on jumper. Make we learn how they take do what they do. I believe everybody gets story to tell. MD, Tiami, the man will be saying anywhere we go, they carry run of ginger, they sell and they cut out for cup, they share the big people. When I be your plan for this world, we go.
Now my plan, I'm not that plan. Now the only plan where I get to.
All right, Moki talk about you, MD. Where you come from?
Well, they've been born me for Southwest Nigeria, you know, Obodo, Oyo State.
All right, Oyo.
I do small travel for Lagos.
Okay.
You know, can't they travel back, but we will just say Oyo na info pass. You understand? So, and you get one city for Oyo, they call that Ibadan.
Ibadan, ni mo wa o, Ibadan, ni mo wa o, Ibadan, ni mo wa.
Check way for you there.
All right, I know that song there. So, okay, you know Ibadan boy.
Na Ibadan boy.
But you don't spend some time for Lagos.
I don't spend some time for Lagos.
But they say Ibadan people they get sense.
Then you get sense. But more than sense, they get too much mouth. And the problem,
they get too.
They tell you, they get mouth.
They get mouth anyway.
They get mouth.
All right, okay. So from Ibadan you go Lagos, from Lagos
back to
Ibadan.
Exactly.
Then you come Kano.
No, I come go Abuja. From Abuja, I come travel the 36 states of the country.
Now, which point? Because as you move all these things, you move from here to here to here to here. Yeah. Which time when you sit down, the thing just knock you for head.
Say, this thing, you know, say the thing. You know, before you knock that big one, you don't the knock small. But you know what they pay attention.
Yeah, okay. So that big one where the thing just
that big one.
When you get that inspiration,
that inspiration came that kind of GSS one. You know, when I go to school, because I've been that boy for class where they talk, you know, nothing where they feel beat me on top of school, apart from talk. You know, I just they talk. You know, and the day you go talk the right one, the day you go talk the wrong one. I don't say if they talk like that, they go say me you go do lawyer.
Yeah.
You know, see, because the option they know they too plenty. Nobody knows they speak and walk. Say, first if they speak, they will pay up. On to it. You understand? So they will give an envelope or they will even send big money to your account. You understand? So speaking wasn't, it never become that kind of business line. You know? So everybody want to be lawyer. But I know, say, I don't want to do that lawyer thing somehow. You know, so I did science class. The thing can't confuse me. You get it? So now when I don't finish school, you know, I see they see that thing they inside. Nobody say
from JS1,
right? You understand? Yes. Even from small self, but the time where I know say I must to speak, you know, for a living.
That's for that JS1. I want to understand something. It don't they clear to you say you go might they talk to people go they learn things
exactly
from JS1.
Exactly, but nobody feel explain with it because if I tell somebody now, they're not gonna understand what they talk. You know, they go say maybe this boy not too correct.
All right, whether your head correct or you know correct, we will know on top of the matter. Make I just rush collect some things for shit. No touch this radio. This one, and I'm very contentious information to pay for. All right, face to face with Ejimo one of Wazobia FM on top Sunday Mente. Check quick. Yes, MD Tiamiyu. This guy there for inside this place. You get one thing we talk, but inside everything we don't talk so far now. You get one way talk we just touch you. From JSS1 for secondary school that now just come up from primary school.
Exactly.
Just enter secondary school. Besides just one. Now you don't know for your mind. Say you now will go outside, they talk to people, they teach people things, they tell people how to live their life. You don't know by that time.
I don't know the full, you know, but I know say anything where I go do, we go get something to do with talk.
Yeah?
You understand? So assuming say I get something where they call mentor, you know, person where you go they follow learn. I for don't they clear since. But I shall know say when I did school for my class, you know, say students they abuse themselves, you know, they say your head look like this, your nose look like this. If person abuse another person, they cry, and I mean they will come meet now go abuse that person back. You understand? And I they do it with joy. Oh, forget that thing. So nobody will don't know me, I know I beg.
No more you have now. No. You know that you drop up move like it with your titty leg like with your fat body like.
That thing I sweet. You understand?
Okay, so now you did a concourse.
Now me they consult a few of them. Can't yab somebody for me. Yeah, exactly. The person who can't stand that they look me, they do my thing. So I don't know. Say, you know, last as I talk,
this your mouth.
Something did this mouth. You know, now I have to come use and take do something positive. Now you know clear. That one not even clear until like 4 years ago. Right, you understand? Okay. So I've been a day debate group. You know, for school we never lost a debate. You know, for school we go good. Once they see us, they know say trouble don't come because we go finish them. You know, we go finish them. So those things they add up small. And
now,
so
okay, if you talk about I just asked you this thing before because you talk say mentor. You talk about mentorship. And now what do you do now?
Exactly.
You be mentor to some kind of people.
Exactly.
Now and you say that here, you don't really see person to mentor you. And so what it can help you? Which advice help you? How you get your own help?
So part of my first help, they come from one of my neighbors. They call her Uncle Richard.
Okay.
They stay next to our house.
Okay.
Because that time the yabbing said where they yab now for local language, my language. I don't speak English too much. You understand? English they do.
That's why you local rapper.
You understand? I can do local rapper things. So one day I can't complain to the uncle. Uncle say we just they gist, they contact them saying, I beg, I even hate all this English film set, all this English. And you know all this NTA news at night where they do. Once that thing start, like, they give me a dig. So now that uncle can't look my eye, can't tell me say, I beg, come on for there, say. No, we say that news is my problem. Say that English is my problem. That thing hook me.
Because not truth. You know when they tell you truth,
when you want to
pinch you somewhere, you go got the phone vex. They insult you.
Exactly.
But that's it, it touch you somewhere.
And I wait till they do today, you know. I look people come and say, I'm looking for a job, blah blah blah, my relationship. When we study, you know, the way the thing don't they go, you go need tell the person through in a way where it go improve their life moving forward. So now what I they do now as far.
So you now know go they talk like the way your uncle tell you that no. You know the English job.
Exactly.
But you now go find way.
Exactly to help somebody, you know, understand and overcome whatever challenge they're going through. So the thing is, but after he tell me that one, he can't give me solution. You understand? He say me I carry it notebook. You know, carry any word for inside English language where I like. May I do one, 10 words per day. Now wait till tell me. Say those words may I put up for head, may I they jump up and down, master the word. Say for evening, may I come on radio. I don't know say I go even do radio. They share the same story. You say when they read news for 7 o'clock for radio, say they must to use one of those words. I say lie for where? They go use my own words. Hey, if you say trouble one guy, you say trouble go guys. Now so me ma, me, there's one boy who doesn't be anything. I carry dictionary now, I carry exercise book. I carry 2 words from A to another 2 words we start with B and they space up and down the ass. As I master the words from my head, 7 o'clock come, true. I won't prove that guy wrong. You understand? Say no be my exactly. Now so the woman where they cast news on top radio. I know say radio is a big thing for children.
Yeah.
Say they hear
imagine who they talk.
You understand? You may imagine who they talk, how do they take do them? I swear to God, as the woman finish casting, say you get one part where they go summarize, say now the news at 7. Now before we close. She just mentioned one of my words. I swear to God.
Which one you know?
It's like he said, what's the word? He said he said ameliorated or something like.
Okay.
The federal government is taking plans to ameliorate. I say, hold on. Now your word.
My word.
Now you write this thing
My
down.
word where I carry come out
I
from
lift up
dictionary.
that. I lift up that radio like this. You know, like say I win one jackpot. Now so the next day I added 10 more words. 10 more words. I'm telling you, after a few weeks, you know, so say a few months, my entire, you know, ability to speak for English just changed completely.
You got the blow grammar.
Oh, Father Lord, you
Whether
need
your
to know.
uncle did, whether uncle
It's still
Richard
there, it's
did.
still there that same place.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
For
But if they do, for everybody, if they do well for himself, you know, it's still there. I mean, I'm always very grateful when I remember saying, "Nah, he helped me, sir."
Now he give you that ginger. Now
Now
if
he
he
give me that
see you,
ginger.
so he know what you don't do now.
You know, they always call and say, "Bro, so I want climb stage now."
Hey,
In fact, 1,200 people won't listen to me. They go clap for me. They go even pay me. Oh. I don't go ever fit do this thing, you know, for you. You go say, "Stop calling." I say, "No, now you start this thing." You understand?
So you guys dey know.
so wait, the lesson for here be say talent day,
Yes.
training day. They are two different things. You understand?
Talent day.
Training day.
Talent now the way you carry and come from God.
God bless you.
The
Now waiting
training.
they put for inside the box. They don't package them for you. You know if you buy talent.
But you need training.
You understand? You need to gather skills through training. You need to humble yourself. They be argue Ronaldo, see Ronaldo and Messi. They are two different people. You understand? Messi came with football from heaven. Ronaldo collector, a trainer. You understand? So, but if you combine the two, you go move forward. Know how, you know, go move forward.
That's talent.
Talent and training. They are two different things. So training
Now what
is
if that skill we got add now?
so the skill is, you know, in speaking, there's what they call effective communication. You get how you go out. You get, for example, now if I want to talk to an audience of 1,200 people, the kind ginger is different from if I want to talk to an entire stadium. You understand? If the audience are children, like last week now they invite me for Kaduna, I go talk to small children. The kind of story, the kind of thing where I go tell them, it's different from if I want to talk to elderly people. You understand? So that balance, the way they get vocal variety, you get choice of words. You understand? You even get stage management, how you dey waka for stage. You get how you dey do eye contact, you dey look people for eyes. Make them know say wetin they talk, they serious.
But some people
all
just
those
say
things
if you
are
want to
training.
talk to crowd, we make it easy.
Oh, no, no be like that. No be like that. So eye contact, they get wetin they call body language. How your body they talk. You know, say
your body they talk.
Wetin your body they talk.
Non-verbal.
God bless you. So
we go small school.
I know. Even though you don't enter inside, you just pass through the school.
No, we don't pass through the school. But as we pass through the school says that pass through us.
Exactly.
Just small passing through.
So now, so the team be, I dey check my report card. You know, nothing whether they write. They say the boy is a talker. I say now, wow. You understand?
So
My father
you
go
know,
carry
so
the report
realize-
card, beat me.
Okay, now talking about your father, make we go back to your
Upbringing.
story. Yes, and your background, your upbringing, like you talk about. Talk about your father. Which kind of family where you grew up, bro? This kind you almost get inside. Maybe which kind of childhood? Then how many are there for the house? Tell us about your family background.
My family background, it is a bit, you know, scatter. As you see me, so I attend 7 primary schools. Yeah, because my papa and mama they know they agree. You know,
Primary school.
7 primary schools.
Only primary.
Primary alone, you know.
Really?
For secondary na 2, that one still dey straightforward, you know. I attend one from JS1 to 3, another one SS1 to 3. But for primary school na jaga. You understand? Because papa and mama know they one place, they know they agree, that kind of thing. You know, we fought for the family, but there's plenty of
Boys.
I know, yes, 3 boys, 1 girl, you know, but the problem is that parental thing, you know, today, now why I've been try help young people, you know, because me, I did lucky, say, the kind of people where I fall in hand to, you know, they don't lead me to bad place, but if to say I know they lucky, maybe I go there under one bridge now,
They run things.
they run things, we know they
get small sport.
You understand?
As change me that.
They say, bro,
Fumi lo mi job.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n àwọn ọmọ ìlú àbí you know that.
And you get you go feel on
I
that
beg, is it more check for you there?
That's a motivation.
Now motivation now. You know, so for people who are born into what would they call it? Single parenthood or family when they two
Yeah,
together.
when
It's
they together.
very difficult, for you to identify your talent, to can't know which kind of training you need on top of that talent, to can't they blow your own brand and that kind of thing. So if I just look back now to just give some glory to God, say God, even though everything, talk about everything. I don't live with colleague of Papa. I don't live with uncle. I don't live with all sort of anybody. We just want.
Now those things, family, they together, many things happening. We live with different people. All those things, it help you. You for don't go higher than where you did. If to say you grow for, that kind of thing help you. Go help yourself, ginger you more, self.
Well, this life, you get as if you see your own story. You understand? There's something that I'm working on now. I call it Road to 10,000 Hours. Road to 10,000 Hours. There's a research.
Road to 10,000 hours.
There's a research where we see the talk say for everybody we don't win gold medal in Olympics. Olympics comes with gathering of sports
people, right?
and the highest medal where you feel win for Olympics now gold. They do research upon people who don't win gold medals in Olympics. They say for you to win gold medal in Olympics at any sport, you must have practiced for at least 10,000 hours. Whether na talk you want to talk, whether na comedy, whether na radio show you want to do, whether na football, whether na anything, 10,000 hours. So if to say my child will know the jaga, if to say somebody see me and identify my talent, can't give me the skill and training and I can't practice things, maybe I'm then with the help of God and
maybe
don't go
far past like
you understand?
But say those things will happen to you. Not even make you. Maybe to say you get everything you want. Maybe you for just be one
exactly.
Chop money, you not gonna send.
So
maybe that will help you.
Of course, I think of like that now. But say if you go to the past and change the past, the past is in the past. It don't go. So the only way you can see it is to see it as a blessing. You understand? Last, it contributes to your story. They say person will fall inside pits. He go teach every other person lesson. You get, because if those things don't happen to me, they go to court today. Only me at 5 years old, I don't go courtroom more than even lawyer self.
What you just on your own?
Not be on my own na papa mama no dey free. You understand? Today magistrate court, next tomorrow customary court, next tomorrow police station.
Yeah, but the thing can't help you can't understand how.
You understand? So now I can't understand how everything just dey. But that time na confusion. You no go feel focus. You understand? So for example now when they talk Michael Jackson, king of pop, you understand? Which school Michael Jackson go? You don't need go school because if you go school, finish school, they find work. Now money in they find last. They don't identify in talent that kind 3 years or 5 years or you don't do world stage. But that's not the play on top international stage at 5. They just add training and continuous practice for him. He became king of pop at a very young age and he died as a king of pop. So what are we talking about is if to say people find waiting their talent be on time, can they identify which areas they need to build upon training and skills?
Yes.
You understand? Because for example now, if say you funny, you get like this our guy Dex Talker where they
Dex Talker.
Dex Talker go talk say my name is Dex Talker, I be comedian, I funny die. If say you funny, you understand? You go just stand on stop stage, they look people, you guys craft your speech. Yes. You understand? So that is a skill. Speech crafting alone, speech editing, writing. Do you understand? Publishing things online is a skill.
Alright, yes. Say if they leave you now, you don't first talk and say talking. If you talk,
Allah.
You be like who swallow memory card. I just did it.
Now who swallow radio?
You be like who swallow radio because you don't the yarn. Now, if you don't look all these things now, so all of these things now contribute to health. You.
Exactly. Last.
Last.
Now God plan because no be anybody, no be anybody plans. So.
Now, since when you started to do this thing professionally, you're talking 4 years ago.
Yes.
Now, since that 4 years ago, go reach just now. What will be the biggest lie where you don't hear about motivational? Because I don't hear one or two say motivational speech na lie jare. You don't talk. You have to be inspired to retire so that you will not acquire and retire. It's forget this people.
You know.
Now that motivational or motivational speaking. You feel say na career path. Now something we person feel. What be the biggest lie first? We don't hear about that thing.
Yeah, because so first and foremost is that motivational speaking is not about rhymes. No be about the word made the word they go. So maybe people they clap for you. No.
You be artist.
Do you understand?
You entertain.
Exactly. No be when you talk. No. See, it's about balancing truths. Because motivation is useless if it doesn't connect to reality. All those things where people they talk. You see, people need motivation. I'll tell you why.
Why?
Oh, God bless you. You see, I believe my own brand of speaking is I believe that everybody
now you can't learn the English too much. The English not even
you know they cause problem. See, my belief is that you know fee even make anybody great. Everybody don't already they great. But one, not be everybody know say they're great. Now where you need me, I need to help you find that greatness because you're already great. Not be my work. That one are God work. You know when you go to the hospital, doctor go there and say we care, but God cures and heals. So you are already great. Every child, even the one where they don't condemn, like me, they don't condemn me one time for my house. Say this one, you understand? Say this one don't feel become anything. Useless. You understand? So nobody is useless. Even inside the word useless, there's use
inside.
Before less, come join up.
Yes.
You understand? So if you remove the less, it's still there useful. So my job is to help you identify your greatness. Number two, people they forget. For Arabic, human beings are called anas. That is people where they forget. Some person where they forget. So once in a while, life go happen to you. Life go punch you in the face. Waiting you they want no go walk. You go come forget. Say you are great. I am also there. My job is to remind you. Say you did great. So two things. Person we don't know saying great, we go tell them. You understand? In reality time, so nobody say just to make up your face. Tell you the areas that you are actually great.
Not say, let me tell you something. You are great. You know you are great. Somebody say great.
You understand? So now reality speaking when they talk. First thing we don't forget. I mean, we're talking about suicide. I mean, a few weeks ago about Nigerians they talk say this life I can't kill myself. But if you look at the statistics of suicide, Nigeria is one of the top 5 countries. As a last year, where people they carry their own hand, kill themselves. Why people they kill themselves? Now, not because food don't finish for house. Person when they kill himself, he get money for pocket. I don't know if you understand. If you look, AC day in house.
money to go buy that level when they kill himself.
You get what I'm trying to say? So waiting, drag and reach that point. So those are the kind of things that we work on. For parents who have children who they don't understand, I can also come in, you understand, and help them understand and balance the things. The relationship, how to fix relationship. Some people problem no be even money safe. They get money. Now waiting money no fit buy like peace of mind they don't get. Some people's problem is that they have not even found what their talent is. Some people already crossed 40, they have crossed 50, but it's never too late. They never know what they want to do. They just live the life.
They don't get direction.
They know the direction never come. Now where people like us they so motivational speaking is not about just saying in 6 English words will end with aya to fire to aspire. That's not what motivational speaking is. It has to connect to the person and bring them back to the reality.
The biggest lie we don't hear.
That's the biggest lie. Say
the myth. When people just come outside say that they call it myth for English. You guys your language guys get color. You guys they talk very gracious.
In fact, even if not PG, no be like that. So my goal as a person, my own assignment where God don't give me is to help 1 billion people, and I mean it.
How many people in this world?
7.7.
Inside this world, my one divine. How many places?
Now only I know they say now 1 billion ordinary. I need.
So
I
you
want
don't
to help.
need too much.
I don't need too much. 1/7.
7.1/7. Let the others share the.
Let's the rest. God will help those ones.
Now what I'm saying is, if you say now your vision 1 million people.
1 billion. You don't even know what I want to do with them.
1 billion.
Never allow me.
Okay. What do you want to do?
I want to help them
fulfill
their destinies. That's all I want to do. You see, the biggest error wey fit happen on top of this universe na make person come this world come with talent, because there's nobody that's not talented. Not everybody has skills. I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
But everybody may he come, grow up, do everything wey woman being they do, come die like that. That's the biggest insult to God. Because when God they creates man, he they take special time. Package am. Everything where you need, to be great, God has already given you. But sometimes you need an external eye, which is my own small eye, to look at it critically without telling you sweet words and help you find your greatness. So my goal is to help 1 billion people to do more, be more, and fulfill their destinies. Because I'm very clear about it. If you don't do more, you cannot become more. You understand? It gets small things like time management.
And you don't go feel get, you don't go feel have.
It's about doing more. For example, now all of us get 24 hours in a day. You'll see some people achieving a lot, some people are not achieving so much. So it's not about envying the next person. Your neighbor egusi soup they smell past your own. It's about what you are doing with your time. Time management alone is just the advice somebody needs. Once they fix time, everything else will just work for them. You understand?
Some people na fear.
Some people na fear. They just fear something wey no even exist. Some people na attitude. Now them they pursue other people from their life. I'm telling you. Now them be the village people.
When they disturb them.
When they disturb their own self. But they don't go see them. You get what they call blind spots. Oh, Father Lord. You don't go see. Now why? I don't know if I fit talk this one on top radio. If you go toilet, balance well, lock door. Your own shit no dey smell to you. You go think say na vanilla.
You don't go call this.
Your own booty no dey smell to you. But if you enter toilet, meet another person, you go say, who enter this place? Because now how human being dey, you feel no see your own self finish. You understand? You go the package and say, maybe just the manager. But if you see someone who is honest, who is open, who has experience and knowledge to be able to guide you, your life can change like this. You understand? And we have several testimonies. Go online, go see how people they talk.
All right, I see somebody.
Queensley,
I see Queensley. I go come to waiting Queensley they talk. Queensley, just the listen. MG they here. We will talk about this your matter we bring come outside. Now, MG. If you talk this thing where they talk, if you talk and ginger, motivate people, make people do. It means say person no fit fail. I want to understand something because you now from all the things we don't talk, make mistake, fail, confused. Now every day I wake up now they get this kind of ginger. They confused, they tire. You never tire you. I find another. You never reason I say, mama, I find another to do. Because I know people will start to the rap. Today now they sell motor.
Hey.
I know people will start to open restaurant. Today now as they talk to you so now they work for bank.
Allah.
You understand? I know people will read, go school, go read medicine and surgery. Today they be artist manager.
Or some of them they sell food.
They my own. So at a time, person go look and say, I don't tire for this thing.
Exactly.
I don't tire.
Exactly.
Waiting, they tire. How you people?
So now human being MDB tell me you now human being, but the thing is this, when they work for your line of passion, you go tire, but your tire not be to quit. Your tire not to rest.
Your tire not be to retire.
No, God.
Fire, come back, inspire.
Oh, check for you. You understand what I'm saying? Now, human being must tire. Now, why people like us did? For example, now, any player will enter field, play 90 minutes. You understand? He must tire. Now, why they put gap for this match, away and home and away, they go put at least 1 week. Make people feel rest. Because normally we are built to, even phone where they carry, the battery they die. You go charge them again, that's all. You don't go say because your phone battery die, go throw the phone away. You understand? So because say you tire, no mean say you no go fit come back and refire. So but that's not the goal. So people can get tired. The goal is this. You see, when you identify your divine assignment,
yes,
you go get that kind of, you get an extra level of energy when they find you.
What is your divine assignment?
Your divine assignment is a combination of two things: what you were born to do and what you are trained to do. Do you understand? For example, me, I was born to speak. It's clear. You understand?
You can talk, Sha.
I can't
because
talk.
Even as you dey talk like this now, you know this are the monitor that they, because if I leave you, you swallow it. You swallow
so I was born to speak. Now a lot of people are born to do specific things. It's either they have not identified it or they are arguing with the thing. Now, you get some people where we say, you don't notice say your boy sabi play ball, but you dey argue with that, say he must go study chemistry for university. You know, but the society again is also not encouraging enough to bring out that line of space. I don't know if you understand. If it be say, you know, maybe the area of work, nobody don't make them inside. For example, now football wasn't something anybody wanted to associate
with. It can be like 5, 6, 7 years ago now.
You understand?
You get to tell the papa say I want to be DJ.
Do you understand?
Come on.
They go slam and say which DJ, which
shit.
nonsense. You understand? So a lot of time, people waste years. Some people waste 15 years. The talent go when they sleep at night, they know say now waiting are supposed to do with this. But because maybe they don't hook for one place, they don't do one work, or they don't get admission for one particular course, they don't feel come out that from that place. I get person will open up to me. The person work for bank 35 years. He remained 2-3 years, may he retire. I can't tell me say be a beg. I'm not supposed to bank at all. I say sir, so after 33 years of investment, I say sir, but if you look at your nature and where you supposed to, they say I'm supposed to teach. After 33 years, if they look in retirement 2 years to come. Now, as the man retired, they give him a pension this thing. He can go start school. You understand? He can establish a school.
Go back to
the original thing. Now, if to say start that school 35 years, will he get tired? Yes. But will he find the energy to come back? Yes. You understand? So, people get tired. So, your tiredness should come from a place of progress, not a place of depression. Say, stop. We just stay here. I don't know if you understand.
Okay,
not just day.
Now, hope we talk about some of your failures. Because this failure and another thing people need to understand.
Exactly.
Waiting be exactly the failure. But now, hope we talk about you now, MD, I mean, hope we talk about some of the times when it is you make serious mistake and you know if you call failure, what you say, if you know be smart to you for not even by now, like you talk, maybe another bridge for them.
Okay, so when it comes to mistakes, everybody guys make their own mistakes. You understand? So in my own case, part of the mistakes where I do be say, and this is the mistake where almost everybody where they live for our own kind of place like Nigeria go do. I go study computer science for 6 years. You know, including ASU strike. The day I go check my admission, I dey cry. People they congratulate me from back for cafe. You know, cyber cafe you go check result. People go they check computer with you now. As they say, bro, so computer engineering. I dey cry on top of the system because I knew say I no one do that kind of thing. You know, it not concern me. But I must go do something. So for 6 solid years, I dey learn. You
don't be like, when that thing go dey tormenting.
You understand?
You don't dey go school and you know say this is what it.
Don't be your line. And the line where you want to do, nobody dey there. We go even very say, okay, come now I train you. So you know they here, you know they there. I don't know if you understand. But last, it's still good. Say I go school. You understand? So because I don't feel correct that time. But if to say I get my power, I did like this, that kind of time where the admission come, I go start my graph, say I know they go. Now what I want to do with this. But even though I say I want to do that thing, which place they go please put me say okay. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So we don't have enough enabling environment. Waiting when you call environment where they empower people. That's why people like us are beginning to create small platforms to say if your child has some special talents, not because say you don't understand them, can't tell them say they don't know anything that they talk. I don't know if you understand. There's a difference between you don't get something and the thing is nonsense. So if you don't understand, and a lot of parents are disconnected from their children.
Yes.
So
sometimes they don't understand the child.
You can't understand the child.
Rubbish.
You understand?
But you don't know say now you don't understand.
Because most of the ideas where parents get, they are already outdated. To be frank with you, you understand? They don't old. Motorway that they used 40 years ago. If you carry an enter road now,
vintage.
Vintage.
They put away they go watch.
FRSC no go even stop you. They go say they go because where you want get paper for that? You know, they're not saying they don't get business with you. Yeah, it's not like maybe put that old model Volkswagen for B2. Wait to concern road safety.
Now watch this now museum that.
You know, they go just the end. Most of the idea where parents get about work, about how people should live life, are that kind of vintage ideas. These children that we're giving birth to are coming to the world with new set of skills and talents. Now, why you go give a 5-year-old boy phone phone where you buy 200,000. You never understand the phone. 5 minutes now, he don't turn the phone for you. Because you're gonna wonder how it take
I take to know what they say.
he comes to this world with that skill. You understand? That's why. So the talents where people get, we need to pay special attention. You understand?
Yes.
To how we feel understand them and help them grow that talent. So for me, one of these mistakes, but you know, you can't call it mistake again because it don't happen for past, right. And we need to see them as blessing. You understand? I mean, you also get plenty of other mistakes where we say when you never discover yourself well, you get something where you could just do without knowing.
Yes.
They will call you, maybe you can't join. You could just go there, you go there, happy, they jump for stage. You don't go no say they're supposed to pay you for that thing where they do. You understand? And or again, maybe because you never package yourself well, you might not get mouth to talk, to ask for say bros. That performance where I do now, when I suppose
pay me. Because they say they look like saying I help them, they help
you. Understand?
Your packaging.
Your packaging get one kind. You understand?
Now it gets some things where you don't do. Maybe say in course of this thing where they talk about, you get some things where you don't do. Where you go like to go back, go change them. Because these things I don't do again. So for me personally is. It be like for many years ago I've been combined too many things together. So now I don't get a lot of clarity. So I want to focus. I don't know if you understand. Right. And I preach this focus for anybody who they listen. Focusing, you know, is the power that you have to gather your energy for one side. You know, quench that thing first. You know, it be like when you get plenty seed and you get small water. You want water all the seed, water this one, water that one. Last, you're not gonna get enough water to water one seed when you grow. So put your water inside one seed, the best seed that you have, and trust God on the process. If you say you want to do this one, you know, in the morning you be baba, in the evening you dey rap, in the midnight you dey. Do you understand? You dey do blah blah blah. So you go disturb you. You go just dey scatter your energy. So you no go feel, you no go feel put things together. So the things where I want correct, if I know since, that to say, may you focus on one thing. When you blow that thing reach one level, you can come there to diversify into other things. All right, yes. Smoke with here one jam. If you hear this particular jam, when they come back, MD still inside the house. We still here face to face with Ezemo. This one, Starlight. No touch. You said, go ask yourself, which level? What did me to do with myself? MD TMU, you go tell us about next level. But before we reach that side, we'll go hear from people. Even if not 2-3 people, we can hear from. First of all, somebody been done to ask you something about destiny. I know so we don't answer that question.
We never answer that thing.
So
destiny is your talent with your skill, with your legacy. Waiting you won't make people remember you as. Those are the 3 things that must multiply for you to define what your destiny is. And your destiny usually is in your own hands.
Talk again. You say your
so talent waiting you carry from heaven come. The skills are the things waiting you don't learn. You know, roadside, for school, for different places, for academy.
The legacy.
Then the legacy, that one you go sit down, write hand down, say if I die today, or if I die tomorrow, or if I die 50 years from now. How I want exactly where I want make people remember. They want make them remember me as a footballer, or may they remember me as a tailor where they sabi sew clothes, or may they remember me as the best hairdresser for Sabongiri. What is that thing where you want make people remember you as? You know, once you multiply those 3 things together, yes, then you can say that you have control over your destiny.
Somebody says suicide, but that's how they talk about suicide. I've been listening to that Queensley from Sultan Road. She talks say most suicide are not normal. Some of them are spiritual attack. Say believe it or not, that's the truth. I think it's not truth. You're not a spiritual person. They believe it or not, that's the truth. MD, what do you get to talk about?
You don't tell me whether we believe or
not.
So we know say spiritual attack no day. Spiritual attack day. But a lot of suicide from the research and real life things where they happen, they can be prevented. You understand?
All right.
A lot of people,
yes, it can be prevented. Somebody did the line there. Make me hear from you. Hello, who did it? Okay, that one. But yes, you said some of those suicide.
Yes, a lot of suicide cases can be stopped. For example, now if person tried to kill himself first time, you know what? there's like an 80% chance that if you try a second time, it will work.
Hmm.
So, and most people who commit suicide have tried it more than once, which means that somehow, it's an action that you must take for it to happen. You understand? Maybe their mind don't spoil. You get that kind of thing. So, but for Nigeria, we carry almost everything as spiritual matter. Person they travel from one local government to the other, spiritual must enter because road no good. Now, why if people travel to outside country, they go see most of the things we dey pray about for this our country. Now, things we don't need prayer. You understand? I don't say make person no pray. You pray, normal prayer. But a lot of things, for example, now for light today, you don't need prayer. Say, God will make them bring light. No, that one not concern God. That one a man to man. You understand? You no concern God. If you want to travel from here to Kaduna, you don't need pray to God. Now the road, just tell your
God protect you.
You get that kind of thing. So it's not. It's not everything where we go they use spiritual brush take the paint out.
All right.
You understand?
So, yeah, somebody they asked, he say, wow, very impressive moment. I pray the sky is your limit. Please, can you drop your contact? Tunde from Jambulo. Hello, who they there? Hello? All right, that one don't bounce away. For inside WhatsApp, they are still on still. Good evening, Ezemo. Please help me tell MD I would want to speak with him one-on-one. Please, I need to speak to him concerning my destiny. Say it is very important, even if it's on phone. Please, Ezemo, this really means a lot to me. Don't worry yourself. He go drop in control. He go drop how you go take reach him. Okay, he go drop how you go take reach him. You go guys call him on air. So that you get number we no mind to call on air. Now your private, not your private number we could call and make people go feel reach you. You get that number. All right, so make it a listen. Make it a listen. I see you for that one we don't talk. You go drop a number on air. You go drop also. You go drop your social media handle, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Make it a listen. You go hear in number. You go hear in other social media handles. How you go take relate to them on top of the matter. So MD, after they take all these final messages, make we just find out from you quickly on top of the matter. People now will not be trying to reach out, make people tell us, make you tell people how they will take reach you on top of the matter. But I want to find out from you, MD, finally, before you come out here, what will be the next level? What will be the future for this whole business, motivational thing?
Yeah,
what
so
will be the future for you?
The future is very, very promising by God's grace. We are still looking for 1 billion people. Day by day, even if now one person, but is that a call? Okay, so if now one person we see, we don't they come out the number. As we show now, they talk to people. We don't they reduce from the target number.
So that 1 billion no complete again.
No.
We don't reduce more inside.
And now it go add up last.
No, I say
now when I go China,
when
I go China, go talk. I don't say 1 billion is possible.
Which time when you go China?
2015.
All right. Who they there? Hello. Hello. All right.
Not to connect. So next thing for me is by God's grace. Coming next year, we're going to be doing a Motivate Niger tour. Maybe it will come down. We want to travel to all 36 states of the country to go ginger people's swagger.
For different types of
Yeah,
country.
for
Hello,
different
who they there?
sides.
Hello.
This one is for people.
What did they have? Hello, who they there? What did they?
Maybe the network.
Maybe not the network. Not the pure.
But
yes.
before 2020 come, this month I'm going to launch my new show, which I call "Who Has a Right to Be Motivated."
Show.
Yes, it's
Like
an online
event.
show. No,
Okay, online.
like online show where I will feature big person who people they look up to. Take meet with them because they be human being. How do they take motivate themselves? When they share some of their secrets.
Then they share some of them.
Exactly, because people have different coping mechanism. You see, as human beings, they get tired. We need person we go hold our hand, bring us back up. And when say somebody where you they look up to, he might get the same problem where you get. He will calm you down.
Yeah.
Small.
So
No,
even they talk to you, you will listen. Okay, this one understand me.
You understand?
All right, but finally now, before you go come out on top of the matter, MD, waiting that last one we get for somebody here. But look, you just take this call. Hello, who they there? Peter, check way for you there. Peter, the way they talk, you dey sleep?
Maybe use bedroom voice.
As you do, is everything?
See the spirit don't hide.
Your spirit dey high based on what you dey hear, Abi. Confirm. All right, sharply before he go come out, because he go soon come out now. MD goes to come out here. Which question will you get to ask him this evening, sharply?
The question where I want to ask is no place for maybe you want to and maybe so that someone from my own church maybe as they do certain content
I dey hear you. I dey hear you. So you go church, person go tell you say,
your attention and your objective make you that. And when you try to decide where you want to go, you find out that the thing makes you right side. So you don't do this. And the way you go and the way you go, but now the situation where you
now where church go tell you, a pastor or imam or anybody will prophesy, give you say the thing what they do, not what you supposed to do, be that say you supposed to do another thing with your life. All right, so okay, make it a listing now. MD go talk about that particular one sharply. All right, okay, MD, make we answer this one before we see.
Exactly. So it get as people they take advice other people based on maybe spiritual or emotional perspective. You understand? But you know, say if they give you shoe to wear, nobody will wear 2 legs cannot enter 1 shoe. Now you will wear 2 shoes. 2 legs, 1 shoe.
That's your two leg for one.
No. If they give you 1 pair, 1 shoe like this, your right shoe, you put your leg inside. Now you go know if the shoe fits you. You know, say if you go buy shoe for one place, they go tell you, bros, this thing, but this thing fits you now. See the coat when you wear it, bro. You know, say the shoe, no be. You know, say it's small for your size, or it's too big, or it dey pain you. So last, it's your shoe. Now you go wear it. You need to find, build a relationship with yourself to a point where you know how something touches you. Now, a lot of the times, and I'm sorry to say, people use the guard of spirituality, you know, to give people advice and compel them with that advice. You see, so if person hear advice from somebody like me, where I don't get anointing, quote and unquote, I don't get the anointing oil, and only motivational oil I get, they go take the word of person where get quote and unquote anointing oil over first, because that one come with power, and even by force, you know, because they believe say something bad go happen to them, but that's not usually the case. If you do a personal assessment of yourself, and you get age where person go reach, where you go know say, now this line you supposed to go, regardless of what another person they say. You understand? So I don't say when you disrespect your pastor, but I did tell you say last now your shoe, now you go wear up.
Now you know what you want.
Know what you want.
As long as you feel good about that thing.
Exactly.
All right. I believe say that one is very clear. As long as you feel good about something, don't let that person come to tell you another thing on top of the matter.
Exactly.
All right. So MD, before you come out here, drop your contact and how people go take reach you.
Okay, so
the 1 or 2.
Exactly. So the easiest and best way to reach me is social media.
Okay.
You know, so if you can send me a message on social media, from Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. So that one now at MD, but people know the 2 spell them well, so I will spell them now. EMDEE. It is not MD, comma M and D. It is EMDEE. Then Tiamiyu, TIAMIYU. That is the social media and across everywhere. If you go to Instagram, now waiting you will find. If you go to Twitter or Facebook, that is the handle. Even on Snapchat, you know. But if you want to reach me on WhatsApp, which is also easy, is 081 26 36 24 82. So
right, call that number again.
I'll call that number again. 081 26 36 24 82. Now so.
All right, so you don't hear that particular one. Now, I will just take one last call before MD will come up for inside this place. Hello, who did here? Okay, that one don't pass away. So MD, finally, waiting be your goodbye word when you just drop. Somebody waiting there, need this ginger, need this motivation. Waiting the last 2 weeks to talk because we need to move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Mind your okay, actually jams will just come. We need to enter that particular one sharply. Yes.
So my parting words on the show today is you have a right to be motivated. If you look Nigerian Constitution, where from beginning to the end, you talk about rights. Right to life, right to association, right to waka. But they get one right where they miss out. Now your right to be kaja, your right to be motivated. So now that one, me and they say we will rewrite that constitution so that we can choke that statement.
Let you get your right to get motivated.
Yeah, so you have a right to be motivated. Thank you for having me today.
All right, so I'll see you for inside WhatsApp there. You did. All right, God bless you. Thank you. So make you call MG. Your number, and you don't tell me your name, your number is 4214. I make you call MD so that we will talk on top of the matter. Now here we go pack our small
You have a right to be motivated.